Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet of Jewel Real Life. Again, today I'm going to show you quick and easy shrimp taco recipe that I try to improvise. So it's very simple, it's very quick. All we have to do is the main ingredients is of course shrimp. We have the tortilla. I want to try the soft tortilla, but I guess I don't have it. So I will just like improvise that one. We have some onions to saute. We have some bell pepper. You can choose any color of bell pepper. We have the lemon juice. I'm gonna squeeze that one in a few minutes. We have string onions. Oh, I'm gonna use today a garlic fresh olive oil. Optional. We have cheddar cheese or cheddar, whatever cheese that you might have available, sour cream. And for our condiments that we're using cayenne pepper, paprika, ground black pepper. I'm gonna put a little powdered chili or chili powder. I'm gonna put like onion powder. I love to put onion powder, of course salt. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one quickly. The condiments and salt and pepper is according to taste. Make sure it's coated. So you just have to caramelize the bell pepper as well as the onion. Oh my god, it smells so good right here. It smells so good in the kitchen, guys. Remaining oil. Again, the trick on this shrimp, guys, is you just wanna have orangey and not rubberize. Okay. Look at the onions and bell pepper caramelized and looking like orangey here. It smells so good, guys. It's so good. And then you can taste and see if okay na ba yung yung panglasa ninyo. The same pan, put it on the side. Just gonna warm that. 1, 3. Maliit lang yung pan ko. I have a small pan. Turn this. Ooh, look at that. So whatever is the condiments or the mga salsa, nandito pa rin. Ooh. If you have some salsa, you can add. Again, guys, this is very quick and simple. Cheese is life. Added cheese. Cheese. Voila. Here's my bite. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, my name is Juliet of Jewel Real Life. Until next video. Thank you, guys.